All right, so today we're replacing the air filter on my ST. I went and got a green filter. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand. I hear nothing but rave reviews about it. This is a cleaning kit for it, green filter, and this is what they look like. Pretty cool thing, man. They come pre-oiled from the factory. All you really gotta do is pop them on. It's really a quick tutorial, I guess. 8mm nuts all the way around. There's 4 of them. Pop the air box off. Off comes the air filter. Easy money right there. This bad boy goes on. Fuck yeah. Alright. So, let me see. So it goes in, yep, fits right in the spot. Comes with a nice collar. Keep it on too. It's just a Phillips head is all it takes. I hope you can see it right there. There we go. That goes on. And it's that easy. That freaking easy, man. Take this box off. Look at the gunk that came off of this one. This one was ready to go. I'll be fair, I hadn't cleaned this one in a fat minute. And it's just an old K&N style filter. Actually, it is a K&N. So out with the old, in with the new. Let's see how it goes. All right, now we got the new one on. Let's see how it sounds. There it is. It's well, significantly louder from over here. I don't know if you heard that rattling, my BOV is going off, so that's the next mod. But yeah, super easy. It's a badass filter. Comes with everything you need. Cleaning kit. Looks good as hell. Good luck. Here we go. Shit. All right, so I hadn't noticed before how choked up it was because that thing fucking launched. So I'm gonna give it another little go here and see what we think. It's a whole new car. Holy shit. Well, next upgrade is brakes. It is 110%. If you got a fully stock Focus, get yourself a green filter, because holy shit, it might only be like 8 horsepower. Yeah, fuck, I might be fanboying, but this shit fucking, it's a slap. Get it. 110% recommend. Stay tuned. We'll see what's next.